Shame on you! Shame on all of you! Cowards! What the hell's wrong with you? What's your voting?
Now at 11, heated moments at today's public meeting of the Health and Hospital Corporation of Marion County.
What began as a local lawsuit against the corporation over the care of a man in an Indianapolis nursing home, is set to go before the Supreme Court with potential repercussions for millions of Americans.
WRTV's Cornelius Hawker was at today's meeting. He heard from those concerned, taking questions directly to those in charge.
The Arc of Indiana, along with those that we serve, urge you to drop the U.S. Supreme Court case.
We're requesting humbly that you withdraw this case.
You're in the care business. I think that you should do something better and drop this case.
Every single person who spoke at Tuesday's Health and Hospital Corporation Board of Trustees meeting, all 21 of them, demanded in their own way the entity withdraw its petition to the Supreme Court. One speaker noting the attention the case has drawn.
Mayor Hogsett said something. Andre Carson said something. Our state representatives and our state senators said something. Our community leaders have said something. Nancy Pelosi has said something.
Health and Hospital Corporation wants the High Court to rule residents of publicly owned Medicaid-funded nursing homes cannot sue the facilities for violating their civil rights. Facilities like the 78 nursing homes operated by HHC. They found unlikely allies in Attorney General Todd Rokita and 21 other AGs. Arguing on the other side, more than 36 nonprofits, all of them afraid of potential ripple effects when it comes to civil rights protections in medical settings if SCOTUS sides with HHC. As the meeting wrapped up, those in the audience making their voices heard again. So I asked Trustee Robert Lazard,
do you have any response to any of this? All these people here?
I'm glad the public came out, and I'm glad the public voiced their opinion, but this is a matter of ongoing litigation, and we as a board are not allowed to comment on ongoing litigation.
And can you not take a vote or take a stance on anything?
Why would you
No
want to be
comment.
on this board?
Trustee Lazard and others were followed out, peppered with more shouting. Back in the conference room, I tried to get Dr. Virginia Kane, probably the most well-known face of Health and Hospital Corporation, to comment on this matter.
Do you have anything to say about this? This has been You have nothing to say?
This perceived lack of transparency only adding to the frustration of those who want this case dropped. Working for you, Cornelius Hawker, WRTV.
Advocates and experts alike believe millions of poor, elderly, and disabled Americans will be impacted if SCOTUS rules in favor of Health and Hospital Corporation of Marion County. They say people have always been able to sue states when they don't receive their entitled benefits through federal programs like Medicaid. The Supreme Court is set to hear the case on November 8th.